Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be replacing the headlights on a Toyota Camry. Thanks for joining me. So we did have a blizzard roll through here last night. It's caused a little bit of chaos out there on the roads, but you know, it's Minnesota. So today I am going to be replacing the headlights on my stepson's 2003 Toyota Camry. His car's out in the driveway. It's actually incredibly easy to do, so it's not going to take real long to do. And but let's go ahead and get started. And the headlights I'll be using are the Sylvania Extravision 9006 bulbs. So with the hood open, I'm actually going to start on the right side. And you're going to twist that counterclockwise. And then you'll pull the bulb out. And then you're going to push the tab to remove the bulb. There we go. And then you do want to wear gloves when you're putting the new bulbs in. You don't want to handle the new bulbs with your hands because you can get oil on them and that would cause them to prematurely burn out. Just click that back into place and then you put it into the housing and then you are going to twist it clockwise. Then over on the left hand side, that's a little more. It is a little tighter to get in there, but it's going to be the same process. And you're going to twist that counterclockwise, and then you're going to pull that headlight out. Why is that different? And then you're going to push the tab on that. And then you can pull the headlight off of that. Alright, then you'll put the new headlight on the wires and then you'll put that into that headlight assembly. And then you're going to twist that clockwise. And then there you go, you can see those headlights are now working.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.